Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi Q2 Technik 30 TFSI. It comes dressed in the stunning brilliant black, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 22,383 miles. Standing on 16-inch alloy wheels with a 5-spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the comfortable cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the cloth upholstery and the front centre armrest for extra support. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations to choose from, and connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones. The MMI multimedia display going into Audi smartphone to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And in the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Below you have the manual air conditioning, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature. Stay connected with the 12-volt and USB charging point. 2 cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek manual gearbox, the control pad for the MMI, and the electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. This approved used Audi Q2 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.